Hey, it's Todd, Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is articles of incorporation. This is an important document filed with the state in which you plan to domicile your corporation's name and its infrastructure. Let's say they're incorporated in Delaware, but they do business and they're headquartered in California. They're a foreign corporation in California because they're headquartered, officially chartered or incorporated in Delaware. Now, this document states the address of the corporation's parent company, where the actual physical headquarters is located, the type of stock it's going to be issuing, whether it's voting stock, Class A stock, Class B stock, various information that's important to notify the government that you're incorporated and you plan on doing business, and how many shares and the authorization of those shares you're going to have out. Today's word is articles of incorporation. Hey, as a side note, Delaware and Nevada are very similar in terms, because remember, the original 13 colonies, Delaware is back there so early that you can use those laws and references as case law to protect corporations, boards of directors, and various entities around the country. Delaware is by far the largest state when it comes to incorporation. Today's word is articles of incorporation.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.